how to use a dictionary. Whether it be for school or for pleasure, reading is important for learning and for fun. As we read, we encounter new worlds, we experience stories we never knew, and we sometimes even get to learn some new concepts from history or science. But sometimes we encounter words we don't understand. That is why knowing how to use a dictionary is vital to being a good reader. A dictionary entry for any word has 3 parts: a phonetic spelling of the word, or how the word is pronounced, the part of speech of the word, noun, verb, adjective, etc., and a list of definitions. It is important to use what is known as guide words to find the correct page of a word you are trying to define. The words at the top left and right of the page are the first and last words on that particular page. Use the guide words to find the page you need quickly. This speeds up the process. Then use your alphabet skills and find the word on the page. One last key. It is important to use context clues when selecting the correct definition. Look at the sentence the word is used in and determine if the meaning of the word fits in that sentence. Good luck using your dictionary, and happy reading.